Welcome to my YouTube channel. If these videos are good or useful for you, then definitely like and subscribe this channel, thank you. Let's start. Q. 1. What are mitochondria? Mention the functions of mitochondria. Uns. Mitochondria is popularly known as the powerhouse of the cell. These are double membrane-bound organelle, found in most eukaryotic organisms. The term Mitochondrion is derived from the Greek words mitos and chondrion, which means thread and granules-like, respectively. It was first described by a German pathologist named Richard Altman in the year 1890. They are found inside the cytoplasm and essentially functions as the cell's digestive system. Functions of mitochondria. The most important function of mitochondria is to produce energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, through the process of oxidative phosphorylation of ADP, adenosine diphosphate. It is also involved in the following process. 1. Regulates the metabolic activity of the cell. 2. Promotes the growth of new cells and cell multiplication. 3. Helps in detoxifying ammonia in the liver cells. 4. Plays an important role in apoptosis or programmed cell death. 5. Responsible for building certain parts of the blood and various hormones like testosterone and estrogen. 6. Helps in maintaining an adequate concentration of calcium ions within the compartments of the cell. 7. It is also involved in various cellular activities like cellular differentiation, cell signaling, cell senescence, controlling the cell cycle and also in cell growth. Thank you for watching.